Do you think the Shiba Inu coin could hit 1 cent or $1? In this video, we look at all the possibilities. If you want to know what must happen for this price to be realistic, watch this video. But note, I am not a financial advisor. I'm basically doing this for educational purposes and to get you informed, guys. So let's dive right into the video. There are two ways this could happen, through burning of Shiba Inu coins and through the market cap of the Shiba coin. Okay, so let's look at how this could actually influence a pump in the price of Shiba coin to possibly 1 cent. Market cap, for example, market capitalization is very important for any coin. It is the total amount of any coin in circulation multiplied by the price. Okay, and this represents the amount of money invested in the coin. Hence, if the price of Shiba Inu coin must go up, the inflow of money has to be increased, and then the amount of token has to decrease. Okay, so we need more investment for the price of Shiba coin to possibly go up. For Shiba, we have a staggering amount in circulation. Hence, this prevents the price from going up. However, it is possible for a coin to actually increase in price without obeying these fundamental facts that I just stated, but that's going to happen only if big players are involved. Okay, when top influential people are behind a coin, this could happen. Okay, for example, we can see this playing out right now with Bitcoin. Elon Musk's influence has really affected the price of Bitcoin, and we are all in a crypto crash. That's the reality of the situation. Also, if we decide to burn the Shiba Inu coin in circulation, that would impact on the price. But this is really not realistic, because if we look at the amount of Shiba Inu coins in circulation, about 394 trillion. So it would be a futile approach, because if we burn like 10% of the Shiba Inu coin in circulation, we'll still have about 355 trillion of the Shiba Inu coins remaining, and to possibly arrive at a price of 1 cent, we would need a burn rate of about 80 to 99%. Okay, of course, with respect to Bitcoin and Dogecoin. Okay, so this does not really make sense. So it doesn't really make sense, because it's almost unachievable to have that kind of burn rate for the Shiba Inu coin. So basically, what am I saying? What I'm saying here is that the only way to reduce the 394 trillion Shiba Inu coins in circulation is to have the Shiba swap available, so that people could stake or farm Shiba tokens for some reward. Okay, so this is one way. Another way to do this is to have more investors. Okay, once we have more investors, the market cap is gonna be boosted, and then that's also gonna attract more investors. Okay, because the more the market cap, the more possibility for some investors to come in. And then, of course, as we've been having it, having the coin being listed on some important exchanges. We already have it on Binance. If we could have it on Coinbase and possibly Robinhood, these would be important, very important factors. And also, if we could have some influential personalities getting involved with the Shiba Inu coin, just like we have Elon Musk now with the Dogecoin, the price could be manipulated, and things could really go in favor of all of us holding the Shiba Inu coin. So basically what I'm trying to say here is that this coin could actually making money on the long run when you hold it for like maybe 1, 2, 3 to 5 years, okay? Because these things are really gonna take time, okay, for all these stacks to fall in place, for this price to approach 1 cent or possibly $1, okay? This is gonna take time. It's really gonna take time, okay? Maybe like 1 to 2 years. But a lot of people are really not waiting for Shiba Inu coin to hit 1 cent, okay? Some are waiting for Shiba Inu coin to just multiply by 100 times in its original value, or maybe 1,000 times its original value. So and they would just simply sell and make some profit. I think we need to be thinking in that direction instead of having some expected figures, okay, like $10, $5, $20. These are possible, but with crypto, anything is possible. You could just buy millions of this coin, and then in the next 1, 2 years, they will be worth less than a penny, okay? So and there are chances it could rise seriously in value and turn a lot of people into millionaires, okay? So these are my thoughts. If you have negating thoughts, or you want to support what I'm saying, whatever you want to say, just feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. This is Brigxel Biz, is your guy Ken, signing out.